here's what I do, and this is how I've found success in my 25 years of business. If you want to spend 20 minutes on posting a $10 item that you're so attached to, go ahead. I don't do that. I don't post anything under $25. So I work with my big stuff first. The most expensive items first I post. Someone had said something to me, they want to post the biggest items to get rid of in their basement. Okay, I agree with that. Sometimes if an item is big, it's going to be a lot to deal with. Someone has to have someone to truck it. I have a cabinet. The cabinet is this big. It was from an office furniture store. It's my brother's. I think they paid like $700. We're selling it for $100. And so far, we've gotten one person interested. We're going to have to reduce the price to get rid of it. But I believe don't waste your time. It's really important to keep it going. And if you post one item a week, that's fine. You're still moving things. What I do is I measure all my items. I keep a little book, measure all my items, and take my photos. Then I'm at the doctor's office waiting. I'm posting away. I'm waiting at Starbucks to meet someone. I'm posting away. So you take all your measurements, clear measurements. You take all your photos, you edit them. You have them in your phone, and then you have 20 minutes, and you're waiting, at the dentist for an appointment. Post. It's really, if you don't have the time, that's a way to fit it in. I research. I measure every item carefully, if I'm a buyer or a seller. We had a situation, it was really, really bad. I know you might remember this. Someone measured an air conditioning unit wrong. And the person who bought the air conditioning unit, it didn't fit in the window. Was it the person who bought or sold? I think it was the person who bought, right? So we had to go in there, and all hell was breaking loose. It was horrible. And they were screaming at each other and getting angry. So it's really important to measure. If you're going to buy something, you better measure your couch that you're buying that's going to fit in that area. Oh, the couch doesn't fit in the doorway. Well, why didn't you measure? So this is how to research. This is probably one of the most important things, pricing your merchandise. It's not about what someone is selling something for. It's about what they sold it for. So I'll repeat that. It's about what someone sold it for on eBay. Okay? That's how you're going to price your items. So this is an Art Deco celluloid velvet box. Okay, it's selling for $9.99. See this right here? It has a filter on eBay. So filtering, and you're going to press completed items and sold items. Now, we're going to find out in green here how much all these boxes sold for. This box sold for 40, this box sold for 38. 22. You're going to do that with your designer handbags, your furniture, everything. So you don't want to know what it's selling for, what has it sold for, and that's how you look it up. You could go to eBay, but you should be selling it for like 1/4 of the price, depending on how old it is. So this is, I look up every single item I sell. Want to see more? Then reach out to me.